Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bertemu lagi di channel kita Kurosi Painting, dan di kesempatan kali ini kita bakalan nge-repaint lagi Mio Sporty dengan warna atau konsep biru es blue dan ditambah warna bunglon dari Penta yang kemarin sudah kita aplikasikan di warna putih untuk motor fiction. Jadi seperti inilah hasil setelah saya melakukan objek sampel kepada objek mainan mobil-mobilan. Nah, sekarang kita akan timpa ke body Mio Sporty ini. Oke. Jadi simak aja untuk bahan-bahannya apa aja. Yang jelas di sini untuk bahan saya pertama untuk dasaran ini sudah saya epoxy memakai nipe 2000. Kemudian untuk catnya, cat dasaran saya memakai cat NC yang saya oplos menggunakan super wet dan so good blue. Dan untuk warna inti base coat intinya nanti saya pakai warna pio yang sudah saya oplos ke teman saya. Oke, jadi langsung aja kita eksekusi.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas
bro, jadi seperti inilah akhir setelah kemarin kita perhatikan clearcoat. Yummy banget warnanya, warna es blue dicampur bunglon dari pentas. Di sini kalau di kamera terlihat warna pantulan ungu sama hijau. Akan tetapi di sini kalau kita lihat langsung ada 3 warna, yaitu ungu, hijau, dan sedikit agak kuning. Tidak terlihat, maka dari itu di sini kelihatannya cuma ungu sama hijau. Tapi sangat-sangat rekomendasi ini warnanya mas bro. Yang warna yang lagi digandrumi oleh masyarakat Indonesia. Jadi saya rasa cukup sekian dulu video dari saya ini mas bro, tentang rekomendasi warna atau tentang repaint dari body Mio Sporty. Sampai jumpa di video saya selanjutnya. Tetap jaga kesehatan, berpikiran positif, dan sayangi keluarga.